So we start off today's video with a major hair change. So she shows the stylist her hair inspiration. Looks like a pixie or a pixie bob cut. And it looks like she wants to show off her jawline with this style. Wow, she has some very long hair. I'd say about mid-back length or so. And it looks like she went bright blonde. Oh, this is gorgeous. Love the sides with bangs as well. Very nice. So it looks like the stylist is showing her different way that she can wear the hair all slicked back. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So if you're looking for some hot hair ideas and you're in need of some major hair inspiration, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video. Give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a gorgeous bob makeover with the bangs. This, of course, is known as the French girl style bob, a very popular hairstyle right now. And then we see someone with mid-back length hair, a few pieces of blonde sprinkled in. Ooh, very nice asymmetrical pixie haircut. This is gorgeous. Love how this frames her jawline. Absolutely stunning. So then we have someone here with hair just past their shoulders. Oh, what a gorgeous bob. Her hair is so volumized and full within this cut. Wow, she looks radiant. And then we see someone with shoulder length hair. Wow, beautiful copper color change and a few curtain bangs added in the front. Very nice. Next up, we see someone go from shoulder length hair to this pixie bob haircut or shaggy pixie cut. Beautiful, and this is another very popular hairstyle that we're seeing this summer season. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.